you doing?
You just did. Fingerprints. No, with your shirt. Terry cloth, dog. Terry cloth. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. This is my boy Carter right here.
How you doing?
So, hope you guys enjoyed the beginning of the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've still been here, thanks for watching and subscribing. Guys, check this out. This is a what? Oh my God, look what we got in here, guys. 2012 Ford F-150 Lariat 4x4. Super cool truck. We did a whole lot of stuff to this truck. Not a whole lot, just a whole good amount. And I'm gonna show you how. Check it out. Don't touch the camera lens button because it gets fingerprints. Guys, it's all preference. It's all your truck, so you build it the way you want to do. This truck had the 4x4 symbols on the back logo, the back of the truck. My buddy Kevin was like, those gold logos look horrible. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take them off. Got these FX4 decals off of Amazon pretty cheap, 30 bucks or whatever. Put them on, looks 10 times better. It's not an FX4, I know that, but it's my truck and I'll do what I want. Just like your truck, you do what they want. It's personalization. Do what you want. It looks better, it looks awesome. And to tell you the truth, it looks a lot better than an FX4 because it's got a leveling kit on it right now. And I'm gonna tell you guys what's going on. It's got a 2-inch rough country leveling kit, all right? We went with a set of Moto Metal. These are brand new. Carter, come check these out. Guys, check these out, okay? These are a brand new set of Moto Metal 996. These are a 20x10 wheel, black, gloss black with machined accents. We wrapped these suckers in a gorgeous brand new set of 33 1250 20-inch mud terrains. Super aggressive look. The one question you guys asked, does it rub? It looks like it rubs, right? Correct. It rubs on the front, very little right here. I brought it home. I got my precision X-Acto knives, and to all the cutting police or whoever the police or the trimming police, you trim police out there, you didn't trim it right, whatever, go blow smoke up your bum hole. Because we trimmed it really nice. We followed the same body contour lines right here. Check it out. Follow the same body contour lines right there. Just a very little bit. I would say maybe an inch off the front lower valance plastic piece right there. And I had to show them the fender right here. This is the Fender Liner. You guys probably can't even tell that it's been trimmed. But believe it or not, I followed my line, the same body line all the way down. And it does not rub full crank right, full crank left. The truck runs and drives great. We did 20% window tint on the front 2 windows to match the rear to make it uniform. And as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. The whole truck is got black leather interior, black carpet, sunroof, SONY speaker system, backup camera, heated seats, cooled seats. I mean, it's an aggressive truck. To give your truck aggressive look for a little bit of money, well, a couple thousand, but whatever. This is an awesome look. It really is. It looks nice. The back seats are great. Perforated leather, ice cold AC, hot heat, and a brand new bed. Look how shiny this is. Whoever kept up the truck originally kept it in really good shape and did a hell of a job at maintaining it. Paint's nice and glossy. Here's the underside. Let me get the camera for a second, Carter. Thanks, buddy. So the offset right here, or the way the tires stick out, Anthony, check it out, bud. Maybe an inch and a half, probably 2 inches, I would say, respectfully. Onto the backside, clean. A little bit of surface aggravation, but whatever, who cares? On this side, let me jump down here. Look at the door jambs. Door jambs are clean. There's the VIN number, super clean. Here's the underside of the truck. Clean, all the way down. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna do the whole video right here, cut it short. This truck has, I don't even know the miles on it. Carter, what are the miles on this sucker? Now we're forgetting our videos in here, guys. Where are the keys at? It's hot, guys. It's hot. We're on 6 minutes. I do. Sorry, my video aggravation. This is a 5.0 liter, guys. 5.0, and it sounds tough. My Bluetooth's probably gonna connect. All right, built Ford tough, we get that. Cool, you're tough Ford. 97,817 miles. SONY and all the good jazz right there. Oh my God, it's not straight. Now it's straight. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. This is Mark and Carter signing out. And hope you guys like the video. Keep head on the side. And yeah, super tough truck. We're gonna do that video of the Toyota 2019 TRD Sport next. Check it out. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, hit the notification button. Peace out.